Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Rumi in the demon form. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our demon Rumi face, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come over, and that's just going to come down. Then I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to do the same thing. This time I'm just going to kind of go up, and then bring it over. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and then over, and same thing here, just kind of bring this line down and then over. I'm going to make a circle shape right inside of here, and then I'll make another circle shape right inside of here. I'm going to draw a small circle, and I'm going to color in the rest of this for the pupil. And then in this one, I'm going to make kind of a line that kind of goes down and up, leaving a little bit white. I'm going to make this line come out and then down here and kind of color this in for like her eyeliner. And then we'll make it a little bit darker here too. We'll do that same thing here, kind of make this come out and kind of fill it in for her eyeliner, and then make the side a little bit darker. Now, starting down here, we're going to make a little line. It's just going to kind of come down and up for the nose. Then we're going to kind of go out and in, and then out and in for the sides of her nose. Then I'm just going to bring two long lines up. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line over and kind of bring it down like this. And we'll kind of do that same thing here, kind of bring it over and then out like this. We're going to go up, bring it over, and then come down. Kind of go up, over, and then bring it down. For her mouth, we're just going to kind of make a line that's going to kind of go up, make a small bump, and then we're going to kind of bring it down here. We're going to make this line come down, over, and then up for the bottom lip. We'll bring this up, make a little bump, and then down for the top. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to bring this in, and then same thing here. Bring this line down, and then bring it in. Then we're kind of bring this into a small point, and then we're just going to kind of connect it. Then we'll make a little line here and a little line here. Next, we're going to bring this line in, and then we're going to kind of curve. Do the same thing, kind of bring this line in, then we're going to curve, and then we're just going to kind of bring this down here. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a little line up for the sides of the hair. Then for the ear, we're going to bring this line out, and we're going to bring it down to here. And then same thing here, we'll bring this line out, and we're going to bring it down to here. We're going to make a little kind of squiggle shape inside of here for some details in the ear. Then, starting up here, we're going to kind of bring some little curve lines. They're just going to kind of curve up. And we're going to do the same thing here. Kind of bring some lines. They're just going to kind of curve up. We're going to make some lines that are going to kind of curve up this way. And then we're going to make some lines that are going to kind of curve out like this. Next, I'm going to bring some long kind of broken lines up on each side. And then we're going to kind of do the same thing, kind of coming from different angles. And And we're just going to kind of bring these up for some details in the hair. And we're going to put a few up here as well. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring a line down, and then I'm going to bring a line down. Then we're going to curve this down to the bottom and kind of curve this down to the bottom. I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and down. And same thing here, a line that's going to go out and then down. Then we're going to make a little curve here and a little curve here. We'll draw a line up here and another line up here for some detail on the clothes. We'll make a little line out on each side. And then we'll draw these lines down. And we'll put a little curve for part of the outfit. Then we're going to bring this line down, and then we're going to bring this line down for her shoulders. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up, and we're going to put some little curves on there for some earrings. And then we're going to put a couple more little bumps up here with some details for some earrings. We'll make some little curve shapes on here for some earrings. And then we'll do that same kind of long, pointed shape with some curves. Now, for some of the detail parts where she looks like she's starting to change, let's start up here. So I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down. We're going to make it go over the eyebrow to the eye. And then we're going to make it with a little point right there. We're going to make one that's just going to come right down to the eyebrow and back up. We're going to make one that kind of curves over here towards the eye. Then we're going to make one that's going to kind of come up to a point, and it's going to kind of curve back. Then we'll make one that's going to kind of come up and down here. We'll make one that's just going to kind of come down. It's going to kind of almost be like a lightning bolt shape, and then it's going to come back. We'll make another one that's going to come down to here and back up. And we're going to make one that's just going to kind of come down right around her eye. And these don't have to be exactly perfect or anything. We're just kind of adding our own. We'll make one that's going to come down here. We're going to make a kind of like a pointed one here with some different points. And then another one here. We'll make one here, and then we'll make another one coming down here. And then we'll make two lines here for one. And there you go, there is your drawing of Rumi kind of transforming into the demon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.